my biggest fear is building a building and not being able to go back. And that scared me to death. And I know some people convert, but that was my biggest fear. And so just getting through that, and with, Dr. Ray and you and everyone else who said, it's going to work. And I went to visit 3 or 4 other big offices, and they were like, this is the best way to do it. And I'm a big efficiency guy. I'm like, whatever efficiencies we can have is the best. So just like every other office that I went to, same story that we heard. We actually, for my own safety net, I thought, well, I'm going to have 3 surgical suites that are my secret ADEC suites that I could always fall back on if everything hits the fan.
In case it doesn't work.
Exactly. So now we've converted all those to design ergonomics because all my staff ended up going, we don't like the old way. And I heard that from other teams when I was doing my research, but it's true. Like, it's just so much more efficient. To me, it's one of the best kept secrets going on.
Why?
Why is it? Well, I was worried about twisting, the actual ergonomic part of like, well, I'm going to be twisting over and grabbing this, and the 12 o'clock thing, all the ADEC reps. Well, you don't want to do like 12 o'clock. Your back is going to go bad. Honestly, it really is just transferring from one hand to the other, and I never even moved my back. So to me, it's not, it's less movements by tenfold than I've ever had before, whether I'm reaching over to a cabinet. I mean, we have 16 operatories, so I can only imagine how many cartridges of, composite that would expire in those side cabinets over a year and a half. So it's just, but for this, even little stuff that everybody knows about, just holding the burrs here, I use that every day, all day long. It's a different feel in how close we are, but it's fantastic, and my team loves it, and I love it. And if I ever am privileged enough to build another office, hands down, this is the only way to go.
Who are you?
Burton Gooch, Birmingham, Alabama.
If anybody wants to visit, can they?
Absolutely. Come down and see it. We'd love to have anybody come in, do a tour. I'll do a personal tour myself, and just great team to work with. Even things with that we've had, every single company is going to have a few things that break here and there. Design Ergonomics has been unbelievable at helping us out getting parts or whatever, and it's been so easy. So thank you so much for being a great company, great to work with, and I really appreciate it.